What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that Lucid is ramping up its production. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we hit the 200 exponential moving average on 2 hours time frame, and probably we should have a retracement. And right here, as you can see on RSI, I marked this channel, and as you can see, RSI fits perfectly well inside this channel, and we were at this very point. And I've told you that we should retest the lower range of the lower border of this channel, the range of support, and when we'll have this movement to the downside, definitely we should see the retracement on the price action. And if and when the bounce happens, we should see the next leg to the upside. And as you can see, we hit this range to the tick. We had a very good reaction, and for now we are again experiencing this small bounce. And in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. So as you can see, we don't have major movements to the upside or to the downside, and let me show you that we don't have major news that might drive the price of this asset either way. All the news that we have on the press release section of their official website I already covered in my previous video. But let me show you some interesting detail. On just 15 hours ago, on their official Twitter page, they posted, "Today marks an important anniversary for Lucid Motors. 1 year of Lucid deliveries. We've crossed oceans, broken countless records, and redefined how the world thinks about luxury electric. Thank you for dreaming. We promise to keep delivering." And definitely at the very end of October 2021 they started their first deliveries, and right now we have very good achievement on their deliveries. And I have to say that previously we had some issues. I found some issues with their about 1000 vehicles that were produced but wasn't delivered. And let me show you again, and shout out to Mr. Barry, who holds this Bears Workshop Twitter account. He makes flyovers on different plants, and right here, as you can see, we can see their delivery lot. This is the delivery lot of Lucid plant. And we can see a lot of vehicles right here, and this is their latest. As you can see, it was streamed live on October the 30th, and as you can see right here, the lot is full of vehicles. On top of that, at the same exact video, we have another lot that you can find on 3.5 minutes of this video, and right here we also have another almost 100 vehicles. This means Lucid is ramping up their production rates, and this means definitely we might see very good results by the end of this year, because the fourth quarter is the most lucrative quarter for auto manufacturers, and definitely this might drive their fundamentals much higher, and this definitely might drive the price of Lucid stock as well. And let me show you another quite bullish sign. We are on fintel.io, and this website tracks the activity of the institutional investors who want to invest in certain asset. And definitely we are on Lucid Motors page. And right here on October 27th we have filings from Morgan Stanley, and they increased their position by 48%, and right now their total position is $57.12 million, and they hold about 3.33 million shares of Lucid. Definitely, when you can see these signs that on Q3 2022 one of the most famous banks invested huge amount of money in certain asset, and this means this asset might be very lucrative for retail investors as well. That's why you can pay your attention on this asset, and if you want to invest in this asset for the long term, definitely these ranges that we are currently at are very lucrative if you want to put your money in. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? Definitely we have a decent movement from its lowest point at $11.8, somewhere at this range, and we are forming higher highs and higher lows. But I have one doubt, because the latest movement, the latest consolidation phase, doesn't have meaningful volume. This means we are not out of the woods, and definitely in the motive wave we have to have much higher volume, comparable like this one, or even higher, in order to confirm that this is the real uptrend. But still, this movement to the upside from its lowest point to its current range gained about 20% to its value. And definitely, when this asset breaks previous swing highs, we can confirm with more certainty that this is the real uptrend. And what should you do if you want to enter the position? I still stand on my position that we might see the retracement to the range from $13 to $13.2. But definitely right now we might have the next leg to the upside, because we already retested this lower range of lower border of this channel, and we might see the next leg to the upside. And if it happens, definitely we will break this previous swing high that we formed just a couple of days ago, and we might hit higher targets. But otherwise, if this channel breaks to the downside, we will see the deeper retracement, and in this case you have, as I already mentioned, you have to put your stop loss if you're already inside the position on this range at roughly $12.3, or slightly below this previous swing low at $11.88. Definitely this movement is still possible, but I am very bullish on this asset on the long term, and this means we still have the price targets that are previous swing highs, and depending on your entry price, we might have up to 15% to the next range of resistance, up to 30% to the next one, and probably, let me show you more thoroughly, probably even 60% to the next range of resistance, which we might hit in a matter of next couple of months. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.